My name is Brad.
And my name is Alyssa, and this is Sam.
And today, we're going to be everyone's flight attendants.
Come on, guys.
Yeah. He's excited. Yes.
Come on. You guys are supposed to laugh.
I see what you're doing.
Well, I'm going to go ahead and apologize in advance for all of the punishment that we're about to put you guys through. Because here at Wings of America, we truly do love a good bird pun or really terrible dad joke. So we want to highly encourage you guys to laugh along with us, or at us. We won't mind that much. Because if you just sit there and be silent for the whole show, it's going to get really, really awkward.
No, don't worry, we're not paid comedians or anything like that, so you don't worry about that a lot. But we do work with an organization called the American Eagle Foundation, where we do care for birds of prey here. And all the birds you're going to see in our show today, they're not pets. We do use it a lot as ambassador animals, so where they educate the public on birds of prey here. And pretty much all the birds that came to us basically with either gunshot wounds, or some actually been kept illegally to where they become human imprinted, and some have health concerns where they can't be released back into the wild. And all the birds we are going to bring out here, we're not just going to have them up here on stage most of the time. We're going to bring some down there in front of y'all up close, personal, because a lot of these birds you can see up close in the wild. We'll make sure to do that for you. Now, of course, I know we just met Sam and Melissa here, but we got to get ready for our first bird here, so they're going to head on back. So everyone is saying, get out of here, Sam, Melissa. Now, of course, everyone, just remember to follow the rules we had here on our screen. Make sure there's no food here, especially Hollywood food. Our birds know what it looks like here. They know exactly what it looks like, especially cinnamon bread. That is one thing I know what it looks like. Now, again, make sure these two ollies are clear from the inlet side. So we're going to walk some birds up and always here. And then, of course, make sure that the food is covered like I told you. Now, with our birds here in the show, they are not pets. So do not try to don't try to reach up and touch them, because they have very sharp talons. So you don't have to use them, so don't try to reach up and touch them. And then, of course, matter of fact, last but not least, our birds here in this show are very well trained. Kind of. There's one aspect of training that these birds have not quite mastered. That is the art of potty training. So the birds decide to, jump off our glove and start to fly around in the air, land on top of the rafters like a bug, y'all. There's only a lot you just do, which is look straight up with your mouth open. I think you're supposed to do that on birds over your head. That's not free ice cream here in Hollywood. Alright, so without further ado, who's ready to see some birds?
What happened to the beach Oscar to me?
Okay, I was going to say that. This is a huge crowd. I know y'all be a lot louder, and our birds run on enthusiasm. So let's try that one more time. Who's ready to see some birds? Alright, Alyssa, they're ready for our first guy.
Alright, guys. So the first bird that's about to come out today is actually a fan favorite here in Dollywood. His name is Friar Tuck, and he's an African type crow. Now, if you guys have visited us in past years, you may remember him as the bird that used to take donations for us. But recently, Tuck has let us know that he doesn't really want to do that anymore. So as his trainers, we've had to get creative with new ways of keeping him entertained. So we came up with this game that we like to call object recognition. Now this basically means that Tuck understands that this toy is a tire. And he should be able to go and find this tire no matter where it is. That's a little bit too easy, don't you guys think? Yeah. So today we are going to try to trick Friar Tuck because I also have this box full of very tempting decoy toys that are going to be really, really tempting for him, because at night we like to fill them with food and with treats. Now, just to prove that I'm not cheating, I am going to need a volunteer from the audience above the age of 10. Alright. How about you right in the front? Come on up. Everyone, let's welcome our volunteer to the stage. Alright, what's your name? Joseph. Alright, everyone say goodbye, Joseph. It was nice knowing you. I'm just kidding. Tug is harmless, but he has promised me that he will be on his absolute worst behavior today. So just be prepared for that. Now, Joseph, what I'm going to need from you is to take all of these toys in this box and scatter them anywhere on the stage floor. All I ask is that you avoid all these big rocks and big stumps and anything on the edge of the stage, anywhere on the stage floor, right in here. Because Tuck is the biggest scaredy cat I have ever seen in my entire life, and he thinks that everything on the stage is going to eat him. Alright. You're going to make it tricky for him, I just know it. Alright. We can't forget our tire, so let's plop this down somewhere. Alright, let's put it right in the stage so that we can get to it. I don't think you'll be able to get back there. Perfect. Alright, so Joseph, I'm going to have you stay right over there by that second set of stairs. And in just a moment, my friend Brad is going to release the beast. Everyone, please welcome Friar Tuck to the stage. Good job. Alright, oh, easy, my friend. Hey, are you already starting? My guy. Now, I was telling them that I was the one cheating. Here you are. Tuck, come here, my friend. Come here. Oh my goodness. What did I say? I told you guys he's going to be on his first behavior, did I not? Come here. There we go. Alright, Tuck. Can you at least say hello? Good job. Alright, buddy. Go find your tire. Oh, you're on it. Good job. Alright, Joseph, I'm going to have you come rearrange these toys for me, including that tire right over there. So while he's doing that, I want to let you guys know that Tuck is a part of a family of birds called corvids. These are birds like your crows, ravens, and blue jays. They're actually characterized by their unique intelligence. These guys are about as smart as your average 7-year-old child. They've been known to recognize faces and be able to solve puzzles like puzzle figures. Alright, perfect. Fantastic. So I'm going to have you stand right back where you were. And Tuck, you are going to go find your tire, young man. Oh, buddy. He's on a mission, but he's not in the right direction. You can do it. Oh, you're so close. Come on. I'm holding my breath, you guys. Good job. Alright, I'm going to have you do that one more time for me. Now, you guys may also, that is not it.